Hello everyone, I am Shayad Kumar Dhar, going to solve a problem from chapter Circle of class 11. It's a beautiful problem as well as a bit tough also. Okay, it has been said that find the equation of the circles with tangent this one at this point and tangent to this. Okay, so I have to find out the equation of the circle. Basically, it has been told that there is a circle. There is a circle. I have to find out the equation of the circle. This is the center, and it has been said that this is the tangent. This is the point. This point is minus 3 comma 6. Okay, and at this point there is a tangent like this. Okay, and this circle has also another tangent. It has also another tangent like this. Okay, and equation of this one was 3x plus y plus 3 equals to 0, and equation of this one was x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. Clear? Done. Okay. Now let center of the circle be alpha beta. I am taking this center as alpha comma beta. Fine. Now if I join these 2 points, I am writing this point a little beside because I have to draw. This point is given that minus 3 comma 6. This point is given minus 3 comma 6. Okay, fine. I am drawing a line from this point to center. Okay, I am drawing a line. Now this line is perpendicular to the tangent. Always the point on which the tangent touches any circle, if you join that point with center of the circle, then this straight line is always perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, so this straight line is always perpendicular to the tangent. So now check what is the slope of this straight line. How will you check? How will you find out the slope? Slope generally find out if there are 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, then the slope of the straight line joining these 2 points is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula. So with using this formula, I can easily find out the slope of this straight line. Slope of line joining minus 3 comma 6 and alpha beta. What will be the slope? The slope will be beta minus 6 by alpha minus of minus 3. I am writing here minus of minus 3. Okay, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Clear? So now it will be, I am do little bit simplification, beta minus 6 by alpha plus 3. This is the slope. Fine, everything is okay now. Now what is the slope of this tangent? I can easily find it out. What is the equation of the tangent? This tangent, this is 3x plus y plus 3 equals to 0. This is the equation. Now, so from this one I can easily write it like this: y equals to minus 3x, y equals to minus 3x minus 3. So this is the slope. So what is the slope? Hence slope equals to minus 3. Done. Okay, fine. Now if 2 straight lines are perpendicular to each other and their slopes are m1 and m2, then m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. Okay, so these 2 straight lines are perpendicular and slope of this straight line is this one and slope of this straight line is this one. So multiplication of these 2 should be minus 1. Okay, so beta minus 6 by alpha plus 3 into minus 3 equals to minus 1. So if I do little bit simplification, then it will give me 3 beta minus 18 equals to alpha plus 3. Okay, so I'll do little bit more simplification. I will get alpha minus 3 beta, it will be plus 21 equals to 0, and this is this is my first equation, first relation with alpha beta. Okay, fine. I am writing this equation at left hand side so that I can use it later on. Okay, so I am writing it here. I am writing it here. The equation is alpha minus 3 beta plus 21 equals to 0. This is an equation. Fine. And I am erasing now rest of all the thing. Okay, my first work has been completed. I am jumping to the next work. I am jumping towards next work. That is, look at this. Now, what is the distance? What is the distance between this center and the tangent? The distance between the center and tangent is always length of radius. Okay. So first of all, radius equals to distance between alpha beta and this straight line. This straight line. This straight line means tangent. This is 3x plus y plus 3 equals to 0. What will be this one? What is distance? What is the formula? First of all, if there is a point x1, y1 and a straight line ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and if you want to find out the perpendicular distance between this point and this straight line, then it will be, the formula is mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over of a square plus b square. This is the formula. Okay, so by using this formula I can easily find out the distance. Then the distance will be 3 alpha plus beta plus 3 by, there is a mod also, by root over of 3 square plus 1 square. Okay, so what it will be? It will be mod of 3 alpha plus beta plus 3 by, this one is 3 3 is a 9 plus 1 10, so it will be 10 unit. Okay, so this is my distance between this one and this one. Okay, fine. Now I should also find out the distance between this. Now the distance between the center and this tangent is also radius of same circle. Okay, I am telling another time, also distance between the center and the another tangent is also the radius of the same circle. So also radius equals to distance between my center, it is alpha beta, and I am writing this, I am erasing this because these are not anymore needed. You have already noted down the formula. Okay, so distance between this one and this another tangent, that is x plus 3y minus, this is 3. My writing is little bit classic. Okay, x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. The distance between this point and this is equals to what will be by the formula alpha plus 3 beta minus 7, its modulus by root over of 1 square plus 3 square. Okay, so it will be mod of alpha plus 3 beta minus 7 by, it will be 1 square plus 3 square. It means it is root over of 10 unit. Fine. Okay, now look at this. This is also radius and this is also radius, and these two are the radius of same circle. These two are the radii of same circle basically. So radius of same circle is always same. So this value and this value should be equal. These two values should be equal. So I am just making these two values equal. Okay, I am just making these two values equal and erasing rest of this. Fine, very good. So what I have got? I have got that mod of 3 alpha plus beta plus 3 by root over of 10 equals to mod of alpha plus 3 beta minus 7. Sorry, I have to write mod. I am writing square root. Alpha plus 3 beta minus 7 by root over of 10. Okay, these two are exactly equal, and I have noted this, so I'm erasing this one. Not anymore needed. Fine, fine. So I can cut these two from below. So what it will give me? It will give me mod of 3 alpha plus beta plus 3 equals to mod of alpha plus 3 beta minus 7. Okay. So if I take down the mod, then there will be plus minus. So okay, if I remove mod, then there will be plus minus of alpha plus 3 beta minus 7. Clear? Now, if first of all I am taking plus, if I take plus, then it will give me, I am taking two values. First of all, I am taking the sign plus, and second I will take the sign minus and find out the equation. Okay, if I take plus for the first time, then it will give me 3 alpha plus beta plus 3 equals to alpha plus 3 beta minus 7, and if I simplify it, it will give me, I am taking, this will be 2 alpha beta minus 3 beta, it means minus 2 beta, and it is plus 3. If I take it to left hand side, it will be plus 10. It is equals to 0. Clear? So if I divide both sides by 2, it will be alpha minus beta plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, this is my another equation. This is my another equation. Or it could be, if I take minus from here, if I omit the plus sign and take minus, then it will give me 3 alpha plus beta plus 3 minus of equals to minus of this whole thing. So minus, if I take minus before the bracket, then if I remove the bracket, then the all signs into the bracket will be changed. Okay, so then it will be minus alpha minus 3 beta plus 7. Clear? Okay, so it will be, if I take this whole right side value to the left side, it will be 4 alpha beta 3 beta, it means 4 beta, it's 3, and if I take it to left hand side, it will be minus 7, so it will be minus 4 equals to 0. So if I divide both sides by 4, it will be alpha plus beta minus 1 equals to 0, and this is my another equation regarding alpha plus regarding alpha and beta. Okay, now there was an equation, I am taking it, there was an equation that has been derived by me previously, and I am labeling it as 2. I have labeled it as 1, and I am labeling it as 3. Okay, so first of all I will solve equation 1 and 2, and then I will solve equation 1 and 3. Okay, if I solve equation 1 and 2, I will get a set of values of alpha and beta. If I solve 1 and 3, then also I will again get another set of values for alpha and beta. Okay, fine. So I am erasing the rest of the portion and only keeping the equations. Okay, because these equations are only needed for me. Okay, done. Now I am taking equation 1 and 2. Okay, and I am making by elimination method. Okay, I am from 1 and 2, from these two. If I take, then from these two values I will get alpha minus 3 beta plus 21 equals to 0, and alpha minus beta plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, and I am making it, I am subtracting it. Okay, so the signs will be changed. Okay, so it will be plus alpha minus alpha, so it is minus 3 beta plus beta, it is minus 2 beta, and it is plus 21 minus 5, so it will be plus 16. Okay, equals to 0. So from this one you will get beta equals to 8. Okay, if you put the value of beta to equation 2, this equation, then you will easily get the value of alpha. What it will be? If you put it here, it will be alpha minus, in the place of beta I am putting 8, so minus 8 plus 5 equals to 0. So from here I can get alpha equals to, it will be 8 minus 5, so 3. Okay, so this is my value of beta, this is my value of alpha. So I have already got one set of alpha beta, that is 3, 8. This is my alpha beta. So this is my center. This is my center for one circle. Okay, and I can easily find out what about the distance, radius. Okay, the radius can be easily find out from, if you take 3, 8 center, and you can easily find the distance. Just find the distance between, now it is your, now this value is your, what is this value? This is your 3, 8. And what is radius? The distance between this point and this point. So you find out the distance between minus 3, 6 and 3, 8. So where is the place? Okay, fine. I am erasing this one. The place is very short. That's why I have to erase again and again. Okay, that's not the issue, because the thing which was needed has already been done. So now, what is the distance between these two and this? So radius will be root over of the distance between this one. So it will be 3 minus of minus 3. It means plus 3 square plus 8 minus 6 whole square. You know the formula, x2 minus root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2, everything is same. Yeah. So it will be 3 plus 3, it means 6 square, it means 36, plus it is 8 minus 6 is 2, and 2 square, it is 4. Okay. So it will be root over of 40. And what is the value of root over of 40? It is it means 2 root 10. Okay, 2 root 10. So it is my length of the radius. If my center is this one, my radius is this one, so I can easily write the equation of circle. Equation of my one equation of circle is this one. What is x minus alpha, that is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equals to r square. What is my r? What radius? This one, 2 root 10. So what is the square of 2 root 10? Square of 2 root 10 is basically 40. Okay, so it is 40, and this is the equation of my first circle. This is the equation of my first circle. So equation of one circle has already been found out. I am moving to the equation of second circle. And basically, I will get two circles. Okay. So it has been told that equation of circles, plural form. Okay. Fine. Now I am erasing this one. My first circle is found out. My answer is partially have been found out. Okay. I am erasing this one. Now also you should find out alpha beta. This question is it's bit lengthy question, and it's a little bit tough also. Okay, for the students of class 11, it's a little tough. And if you find the value of alpha beta from equation 2 and equation 3, for the first time I find the equation, for the equation 1 and equation 3. For the first one I have found out the equation for equation 1 and equation 2. Now I am finding the value of alpha beta from the equation 1 and equation 3. Okay. Okay. Now again from this one I will get alpha. Okay, from this one alpha plus beta, equation 1 and equation 3. Okay. So this is alpha plus beta minus 1 equals to 0, and here my equation 1 is alpha minus 3 beta plus 21 equals to 0. Correct. If I subtract these two, then it will be this one, this one, this one. Okay. So alpha minus alpha with plus 3 beta plus beta, it means it is 4 beta. It is it got minus 21 and minus 1, it means it is minus 22, that is equals to 0. So my beta will be 22 by 4. It means 11 by 2. Here, if I put this value to any of, I am putting it to 3, okay, then I can easily find out alpha. Alpha plus my beta is 11 by 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So my alpha will be 1 minus 11 by 2. Okay, what is its value? Its value will be like 2 minus 11, so it will be minus 9 by 2. So this is the value of alpha. So what is the center? Now my center is alpha beta. Alpha beta means this one. This one is my alpha is minus 9 by 2 and my beta is 11 by 2. This is my new center. Okay, and again I can easily find out the radius. Now this is not 38 anymore. Now this is minus 9 by 2 and 11 by 2. Now this is minus 9 by 2 comma 11 by 2. So now find out the distance between this point and this point. You will again get the radius. Okay, I am showing you by finding it out. Okay, then it will be, I have to take a lot of minerals and vitamins to do this problem. Okay, now so my radius will be again, my radius will be this one minus this one. So by the distance between this and this, that is root over of minus 9 by 2 plus 3 whole square plus 11 by 2 minus 6 whole square. Okay. Okay, very good. So it will be unit. So it will be root over of, if you make it square, then it will be 2, and it will be minus 9 plus 6 its whole square plus, and it will be 11 minus 12 its whole square, and again you will get minus 9 plus 6, it means minus 3 by 2 whole square, it means 9 by 4 plus 11 minus 12 minus 1 by 2, its whole square is 1 by 4. So it will be totally will be 10 by 4. Okay, what is 10 by 4? 10 by 4 is 5 by 2. So it will be root over of 5 by 2. Okay, you basically need the radius square. So you basically need the 5 by 2. I don't need the root over value, but I find out it as radius. Okay, now what is this is the value of my radius. Now what is the equation of the circle? Then the next equation of the circle will be, this is the last thing. This is the last time I am using, and this is the last thing I am writing. Okay, don't get bored anymore. Okay, so it will be my equation of circle. It will be x minus alpha. What is my alpha? Alpha beta, this one. So it will be 9 by 2 whole square plus y minus beta 11 by 2 whole square equals to r square. R square means its square. Its square will be 5 by 2. This is my second equation of circle, and I have to find out the equation of circles. Both the equations have been found out. Okay, it's a little tough also for students of class 11, 12, and it's lengthy obviously. So you have to practice it more and more to do it in exam. Okay, so to watch more videos like this, do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.